These are French onion grilled cheese sandwiches. And we're going to serve it with a lovely salad with a Dijon vinaigrette to go along with it. I start out with 3 softball size or 4 medium onions for 4 sandwiches. Basically 1 onion per sandwich. Why? Because onions cook way, way down. Boop. Salt, of course, immediately will start drawing the liquids out of the onions. If the onions begin to brown at the edges, turn the pan down even lower. This is going to take a good 35-40 minutes to get it to the proper color and consistency. So I've grated up, about 3/4 pound of Gruyere. We're going to take creme fraiche, and we're going to add a little Dijon mustard, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, boop, a little salt and pepper, and some chopped fresh herbs. I like a combination of thyme and parsley, and that'll be the special sauce on our sandwich. We're well on our way. I've got some onions working in the back. When we come back, we'll make a sandwich, get it on the griddle, and I'll show you how to make our Dijon dressing right after this. Okay. When you're making grilled cheese sandwiches or a patty melt, one of the kind of the trickiest things to master about it is proper butter distribution. Some people also use mayo to brown their grilled cheeses. What I like to do is take softened butter and very, very, very thinly spread it evenly over the bread and then build the sandwich with the buttered sides out. So we've got our French onions. Take your bay leaf out when they're done. See how much they've cooked down? And they're covered in a little bit of beef consommé and sherry or white wine. Delicious sugary flavor to them because we let the onions really develop. Oh, we got to do cheese on both sides. Our Gruyere cheese. Okay, now we're going to take our special sauce. Remember our creme fraiche, Dijon mustard, herbs, and a little bit of Worcestershire. Slather that on the top of our sandwich. And then put everybody on the hot griddle all together. We're going to make our salad dressing. When you're making salad dressing, start with grated onion or grated shallot or finely chopped or minced. Put that in the bottom of your salad bowl and add acid. In this case, I added lemon juice and some white wine or white balsamic vinegar. Then we're going to add salt and let this set for 10 minutes before you build the rest of your dressing. Then we're going to add in natural sugar with a little honey or agave to sweeten our dressing slightly. I love a nice tarragon Dijon dressing, so I'm going to throw in some fresh tarragon. And then a fat spoonful of good Dijon. When we come back, we'll put all of our greens in our salad, and I'll show you those sandwiches right after this. So these are beautiful watermelon radishes I'm running my knife through. And for the salad, we did a sweet and savory Dijon vinaigrette with a little hint of honey running through it and some nice fresh tarragon. And then a little pop of spicy radish. Toss that around. Thinly sliced cornichon. But nobody cares about that sweet, beautiful salad because all they really want is to feel better about eating this. These are our French onion grilled cheese sandwiches with our creme fraiche Dijon sauce. Whoa!